I'm a creator. I can do whatever I want. Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be recreating Cancer makeup look. Maybe for Cancer risings or for Cancer moons, but it is what it is. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna get started with my eyeshadow base. I did my foundation off camera. In case you're interested, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box where you can find my face routine. My grandma and my sister, both of them are Cancers. And by the way, my sister, she was born on the 4th of July, and my grandma on the 3rd of July. So they have one day apart birthdays. They're so similar, and the funniest part is that my sister, she has a rising sign in Scorpio, and my other grandma is a Scorpio. I'm like, hello. She is very similar to both of my grandmas. Let me get started with the blue color. I have an idea, and I know that it might be a little bit corny, like Cancer, so it means that blue color. No, we know that most likely Cancers, they're in red color, and kind of like brown, red, so many colors out there. That is the main reason why let's have like a Disney cartoon like Cancer color, like red. And then I'm gonna add at first black eye pencil. So I will get this over my lash line. I will tell that my grandma, she has a lot of things in Leo, but at the same time, I'm pretty mature because I don't really know the real time of my grandma's birth time. So I can only assume that she has a rising sign in Cancer, because every single time people are like, oh, she's like very childlike and yeah, something like this. But we know that my grandma, she's not that kind of like, yeah. And I think that my grandma, she has the second house in Leo because she loves spending money. Like, she always had a problem. She had no money most of the time. And she was like, I had no money, I had no money. But my grandma, she owned gold. I mean, like back in the day in the Soviet Union to own gold. Hello. I'm going to get started with a pan brush, and I want to blend out, I just want to create a little bit messy makeup look, because first and foremost, the planet, the ruling planet of Cancer is Moon. Moon is not a planet, but you can get the point. And I would say that it's kind of emotional. It's sometimes a little bit all over the place. And by the way, I have Cancer rising. That is the main reason why, I mean, yeah. Sometimes people think that I am a little bit younger than my actual age. I don't want to ask you a question like, what do you think is my real age number? Because I know that people are going to be mean. So I'm going to real quick tell you that I'm 31 and I'm going to be 32 this December. We're not going to create a situation where you're going to tell me some rude stuff because you just know my age, okay? Let's live it like this. Girl, black, smoky, Cancer, yeah. And they're sometimes really spicy. They look like cats, but it's just deep down, they have shallow armor. That's going to be it for now. I'm going to add a little bit of red because, you know, red is this Disney time color. And I will use my finger just because I feel like I don't want to add extreme amount of color, just a little bit on top. But I know this is not a fire sign. That is the main reason why we're gonna mix and match different shades. And honestly, I have no idea how this makeup is gonna turn out. We're gonna carry on with this color. I don't know why, but it just speaks to me. I need like a brush that I'm gonna wet. I'm gonna use black. I'm gonna use red color. And I'm going to place it right under my black color, the same purple, and just transfer this color right here. It's weird, but silver color is one of the Cancer shades. Why not? I mean, like, silver is going to look really cool with this color or combination of colors. Let's use my new NYX eyeshadow palette. If you haven't seen a review on this palette, then check this out. I do swatches. I do 2 different makeup looks with this particular eyeshadow palette. I do a comparison. I'm gonna wet my brush and use this color. My favorite is from Simple Beauty, but this one is not bad. Oof, yeah, that's really cool. Oh, I love it. And I feel like I need more. Ooh, I know, I need more silver right here in the outer corner. Let's get a couple of dots. And then I want a little bit more, probably like here at the brow bone, but nothing like extra, just a little bit more. I don't know why, but let's add here as well. Black over the lash line, just the tiniest bit. And finally, I'm gonna coat lashes with mascara. The one that I'm using is from Makeup Revolution. Well, guys, I'm finally ready to present you this makeup look. This is a Cancer makeup, in my opinion, which is a little bit maybe out of like the reality, but at the same time, I'm a creator. I can do whatever I want. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.